welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journaling, organisation and anything creative in between. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video than I've done on this channel before. So I really wanted to get back into scrapbooking this year. So I'm starting off with doing my January 21 scrapbook memories, I guess you could call it. So as I haven't done this for quite a few years, I am still getting back into the groove of everything and scrapbooking in general. So bear with me for my first Scrapbook With Me video. But I definitely had a lot of fun doing it, and it was fun to think about the highlights of the past month. So I definitely recommend giving this a go if you haven't before. you for watching my January 2021 Scrapbook with Me video. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks!